What's going on, guys? Peter Kaczynski here. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Forgotten Turbo. Before we get into things, I'd like to thank Azden for sending me this SMX-30 microphone. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos that I've been producing and the audio is crystal clear, so now it's going to be amazing. From what I've seen so far, this mic has been great, so I'll put the link below if anybody's interested in it. Back to car stuff. So I left you guys off on a cliffhanger last episode, and this is what happened. You can watch it for yourself. So as you saw, the car didn't start, which was a huge bummer. It was kind of took some wind out of my sails, but I basically knew which direction I had to go and what else I needed to do. So the next thing on the list was to get a fuel pump. So I ordered a Bosch premium fuel pump from FCP Euro, quick shipping. It was great. Prices was great as well. I ordered myself a lot of new plugs. I got a new timing belt, tensioner, so I'll be doing all that. I myself won't be doing the timing belt, but that is definitely something on my list. I've been getting a lot of feedback from the community, from you guys on Instagram, through messages or Facebook groups, as well as these YouTube videos and comments, that the timing belt is crucial and critical in one of these cars. So that's kind of what I've been doing. So in this week's episode, I'm replacing the fuel pump, giving it another go. We'll see. So I made another mistake. I broke the prong off the fuel pump and I'm unable to get a nut on there and unable to hook it up. So I'm really disappointed. It's gonna set me back. I have to order another fuel pump and kind of take it from there. So that's really disappointing. I was really excited. I had a beautiful day to do it and I'm back to square one. So I guess stay tuned if you want. I'm kind of getting discouraged. Hopefully you guys are still into it, but I guess these things take time.